Hello friends, once again review our market. Market closed at historic high, Nifty at 18,338 and Sensex at 61,305. So what's next? Market is due for correction or can we expect more upside? Put-call ratio can help us to predict short-term market sentiment, whereas PE can help us to evaluate medium to long-term outlook of market. Weekly put-call ratio is at 1.30 and monthly put-call ratio is at 1.63, whereas market trading at 28 PE suggests market has entered in an overbought zone. We can see PCR nearing 2 and PE heading towards 30 plus level. Hence one has to be very selective in adding more funds in market. As of now, as market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. Now coming back to this week BT Market Talk Weekend Review, in which we are going to take a look at the comparative analysis of then Nifty level with Nifty now, along with then index P and volatility as well. We will also be looking at FII-DII buying selling figures, option chain data and important levels to watch for Nifty. So without wasting more time, let's start. Welcome to BudgeTree TV's BT Market Talk Weekend Review for the week ended on 14th October 2021. Last week, market touched a new high of 18,351 and closed at 18,339 levels with weekly gain of around 443 points. That is almost 2.5%. In October, so far market registered gain of around 700 points, that is little more than 4% gain. And in current financial year, Nifty is up by more than 3600 points, that is almost 25% gain. Before coming to Nifty journey, if you find information given in our videos useful, then give it a like, share with your friends and give your views in comment section below. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Now coming back to the Nifty journey. 1 year back, on Nifty was at 11,680, which is up by more than 6,600 points, that is around 57%. 3 years back, it was at 10,512, is up by more than 74%, with more than 7,800 points again. And 5 years back, Nifty was at 8,583, now at 18,339, is up by more than 9,700 points. That is more than 113% gain. Let's look at FII-DII data. Last week, FII bought for around 1,700 crore and DII sold for little more than what FII sold. That is almost 1,750 crore. In last week, FII stands as a net buyer of around 1,000 crore and DII sold for around 3,300 crore. In October so far, FII and DII both stands as net seller of around 3,000 crore. Current financial year, FII still stands as a net seller of more than 45,000 crore. And FII supporting the market by giving a strong buying hand of a little less than 51,000 crore. Now moving to option chain data. Looking at top 5 open interest positions of calls and suggest market may trade between 17,500 to 18,500 levels in near term. So to conclude, on downside Nifty may take support near 17,900 to 17,950 levels in near week, whereas on upside it may witness resistance around 18,450 to 18,500 levels. So thanks for watching BudgeTree TV. Happy new week and festival season ahead. So let's meet in the next week with new analysis.